I want to come back to reading Bible. I love reading Bible because the Bible is give me something important main point. Okay, something important main point. Uh, to recognizing something. Okay, to do something. Uh, you know what? When we loving to do something is that we want to know true thing about the something happening before. We should think about carefully and then doing carefully. This means I love to reading. I love to reading. I want to try the best of to read. No? I'm not better than you guys. Sorry about that. But I want to show you something. And then when I reading about that, you will get something important to me, or you will find easily to get the Bible. No? Then I could have a sukumota alert in Yai Lobatamo Metal pay, no? Jehoasa cannot Israel. Talo Jehoasa, Wakera, Le, but Israel, no, a sopa, not Israel, no, but Israel, let Israel go, Israel a sopa, no? But they are thin, Bamno Holy, away name metal, Tala tapo to Missicolo, no? But Termala in the 23rd years of no Joas, son of Ahaziah, king of Judah. Now Panetera na kisi 30 atopuni na so you are a pokwa so no penny so you are no so you are no ani pwe tho kisi 30 ni so you who a pokwa no so you who a pokwa per ketete mala no penny Pobra la Yahua ha aha keto sopala no Israel apoko summary apu the sin nuini no when it keto sopala summary put the sin nuini no Paine take it away le no Paine he did evil in the eye of the Lord by following the sin no awe mata le kasajwa ame do portwe lu portwe tadeba ki no britama sin tadeba ki no little kura britama of Jeroboam son of Nipe no awane pagitera mala awa poro wata deba ki le no pay ni no sonaba pokwa soraba le aduma ishila tadeba daga aki awe mawe no Panero Pathinya le no paneno namba no which has cursed Israel to commit. When a picture maladi through akama wera po Israel mata deba no. Pedro and he did not turn away from them no. A wet hawk with a le clay wenima no leta tirpanima no. Little put on his soul. Not the Lord angers burning against Israel. No penero kasayuani. Away through that torama, that torani mahawa kuwera, toda mahawa by Israel. And for a long time, now he keep them under the power of Hazir, king of Aram, and been handed his son. Panero Pagitera Mana Paini, not Tirala, Wulani, no. Ta secretary yijil apati virala no Britain mana ta suta kamole apala le no his kia a sopa mana is kia sopa no payro pekle kwa isia sopa iras no aran no akora le binada apokwa supu no aran no no jano kura ro pay ni kobra le no then Jehoashaphat no shout no their Lord's favor no panira joya dani aware pekete mala aware ko pturo vera no pain ko be shout pain no pekete mandile no jwata thoba Israela no hilokwe o no susuri sopa yes no khashila supu dollar khashila pokwa no be hada supu amuni kele kesen tai lo phane mo no do lui ni teweda bakha la no phai ni so yo ho yada no so yo ho a kha khikanya ta la ywa do ywa dugana aglu lo no phai ni so yo ho a kha ni khikanya ta la kasa yo dukana agiri iti wele Israel atana tapolo agiri suri asopa mana mapolo wane suri sopa ne mana mapo hone lo no Petiwala paini no for the saw no for he saw the several the king of Aaron was not a presence Israel not a present Israel mana mapo no Panero, the laws not provided a delivery for Israel. No panic, no kasayone katika toweda bakala, no do your hilo Israel leta uki koki o no panic, your hilo Israel leta uki koki o no no payro pekelekwa no pani your hilo leta uki koki. Little Hutaroni pay no and they escape from the power of Aaron. No, because aware thing no pu play we no aware the he we da le tasuta kamo le pasuri the pa no Pero so the Israelites live in their own home and as they has before no we will run a isha for the pan aware the muera umudira le akachai kicha ho no le apuku ethone no tiran but they did not turn away from the sin of the house of Jeroboam no basan gra awete ta khaku ethala no ta de ba le no putan malam Jeroboam no ahipo hopo atade ba ne awete ta khaku ba which he has cursed Israel to commit no Little who are what they began my dumarita la by Islapo, no, began my takamawani, no. They continue in then what they lady that, what they borrow. Also, we learn, as no, Assyria's polit, no, Assyria poly remained standing in Samaria. Panero Assyria ne aware pagitenma no duthino talkie wera lo o shelter wera le Samaria punino duthino talkie weta the panino no pete o dini etu physical no paini no basado no tahadaba so yaraba aduma Israela no le tadeba no taga apahi po tadeba level apu no ba la level apu no do no asra seta de sikola summary apu lo asra ne seta de summary apu no pai ne ko ra la no yi nu ni te ra ne dile no nothing has been left of the armies of Jehoahaz except 50 horsemen, 10 chariots, and 10,000 foot. No, so dire for the king of Aram has destroyed the rest and made them like the dogs at the threshing time. No, when you call it threshing time, no. Pero petinya sikolo tewe dile do ata ulote bakara so yoho aha do kye tal amawe do asukomoni kwe thale ishila sopa ali kwe nota apu no phane petinya siko phane do palote le pago mu akla le yoho aha agote po akete pho yesi do likaha siseso do Pwa koto po tekalao lo agiri suri sopa mahago do pa odi tayobu no akamui etoni lo tayobu akamui etu no when it did dinner no do but thing sikolo pay as for the others event or range Jehoaha no all he did and his achievements are they not written in the book of the Daniel or the king of Israel no I want to live what is a holy when tuck when no penny no. No pay up a glen qual no put my horny. No queenie dim up on it. Joe no Jehoiakim rested with the father and was burning in Samaria and Jehoram his son sister him asking no penny on Jehovah ne apoquam no let us hold on but Sokomono petino palatated panasicolo penny. Joaha miwe do aparpado paculoque or low samribu. Do poqua so you ake tosso pala alonilo. Talo so you ani penny timala no takwe wera a mikika no. Cora la Jaws no Jaws no penilo cora wercane no. Percane Jehoas no Jehoas. Pane Jehoas do Jaws no I want to call it so you are here lo basana ke ne pay ni sukumo ne awa translate ni ba the thing na per sikoba letter no quota lo ne pakro sukumo ta le tagita klo ka de se pona no call me ko so la ko no po kia basana ke awa te kwe mi ni te ga kholo no the me do paklo kwa pay ni in the 37 years of no Joas king of Judah now Jehoas, son of Jehoashaphat, now became king of Israel in Samaria, and he reigned now 16 years. Now, Panebukitenoma, you are now where Payuda so by you are no. Goda le pain Jehoah no Pukwa, Bukitenoma, Jehoasa Pukwa, no Jehorani, aware. Wakera sopale Israel le Samri Puna. Uloro Pagitano Mala Payne no and he reigned 16 years. No Apurane, not a Sihuni, no, he did evil the eye of the Lords and did not turn away from any of the sin of Jeroboam, son of Nebat, which he has called Israel commit. He continued in that. Now, Panero Pagitano Mala. A well laid clear bone no a well laid clear bone well poured clear bone let down no let no kuda on it ya look a sayo a menyane pretend my me porgala no amata de bashakamade clear bone no as for the other event or range of Jehoah or he did an achievement including his war against no pretend mala Penny, no, Amaziah's king of Judah, no, are they not written in the book of the annual of the king of Israel? But you shall only be sick on it. Penny Cora, Jehoas, ne, aware Mata, do, aware Pitan Mala, Amata Gay, or Amata, Takwe Palo, no, Judah, liquid, not up on the law, no, when he miss sick or that, the miss sick on the law, no. Pedro Jehovah rests now with his father. Now, when Jehovah ne aware, no, Pagatan ma amico da apa, no aparpa, and Jeroboam said, no, Jeroboam set him on the throne. No, Panero Pagatan mala Jehoras was born in no Panera Samaria with the king of Israel. No, Ta Pagatan tapa migo Panisikola Israel, no. Panero Tirala now Elisha was separate from the Illinois from which he died. Now Panero Pugitanmala we Elisha no Pugitanma aware bakwas semerata suta sa pane permumano. I went a bodola a work thitima, no, Pugitatama Paneno. Joas, no, king of Israel went down to see him and weep over him. No. My father, he cried, that Charles and horsemen of Israel, no? No, Panero, a work over Thudo Wedama, no? A work over Thudo Weda, no, Bagdama, Hever, Hetila, we say, no? Pain soil, Sasa, Weleta, Sala, Athene, or Hood or Israel, so pass, so you are. Hair, Losu, a Udo, Howella, a me, a Pokudo, see whether. Yapao Israel Lekahado akathiu no Israel alika paro akathiu ta do lo ba mo no ah ko wara we elisa no no awani no do lo wara mo no no pay ro pagiter ma elisa get a bow and some arrow and he did so no pane ro pagiter ma he ne no pagiter ma la pla do pagiter ma la no pagiter ma lo pane petinya sikola tevra de lo pay ro tevra no hine kli mo no awe hine kli ro pla no bow no arrow no de we le sate to ro we ma we sikolo no tevra no take the bow in your hand no hine pla la na pagiter ma no kli la na sulo he said to the king of Israel no teva pa Israel po sopa when he has take it no pair away hine ro Elisha put his hand on the king hand no para para hela wara su sopa asulo no pane no we Elisha ne hela wara sopa asulo no pane no pagiter ma open the east window no pane ma window no pagiter ma oro wara no le mu thora ka pa atre no he said and he opened it no away tevra ro oro wara no suit Elisha said no pagiter ma la kabla ne mo no we Elisha said and he suit no pane he suit the Lord's arrow of victory over Aaron no pane no pagiter ma awani kasa yua pla mo no pagiter ma no kamanda no pay ni mitala no pla bo ni kamanda wada pwa suripo no is Elisha declared no is we Elisha ne ka turota you will completely destroy the Aramean as no afan lo pane no ne kama hago kwi no Aramea ro afan lo no pane tevra sikoti ne lo no pay ne pagale kwa pay ne no agidi e no naka klop pasuri phola no aphi aputu namala oro awani mitala ta mala kwi ta no no pagiter mala to si khwane tevra lamani timile pay ne no then he said no whatever take the arrows and the king no took them Elisha told him no pagiter no no he ne pla no pagiter mala no sopa hine aware no awani no Elisha teba no straight the ground no pagiter mala strike the ground no he struck it 3 times and stop it panida aware strawberry 3 times tebra mo no painted no he ni well on the seba Israel sopa no away ni no to hokurki do away to with the blow do ukato velo no with to with the blow mo no then no kuda ro pakro patu patala patamo kusikolo target the bicycle no pay ni pekale kwa le tamata the bicycle kasinya ni dile no the sequin ni devara la pay ni the man of God was angry with him and said no panene pa ywa pa kanyo ni aware pagate mala no angry sidan pagate ma ta tho mo no ta tho or deva or you shout the try the ground 5 or 6 times once you would have defeated Aaron and completely destroyed it but now you will defeat it only 3 times no panitera la no the dollar hawk no anakwani namatolo ra pema no ye wo hu wo no basana kiro pay ni koblo na dollar the wall ho jalo ni nagamana na ta la the blow no letan kuna David no no Elisha died and was buried panino we listen no a thedo with a takulo now no mobiles Putema raiders used to enter the country every spring no panic every spring no pagate mala no pagate mala pay ni no to see queen do you are paganyo thoba or see that gilan the thought ye blow who blow to know the soon like a top sorry to namalo mimic kagane negato suri theblo lo no tera din mo no no pe do soil sa fi we do pakulo ko do pa mo a pho no a phu de pha hen no ko ni le ni tho so ni lo no pha ni no pa mo phu de pha ni hen no le ni tho so mo na hen no ko ni no no pha ni do kisitan ni te ba we da lo mo ni ti mi le phe no once while some Israelites were burning a man suddenly they saw a band of raiders, so they threw the man's body into Elisha's tomb. When the body touched Elisha's bone, the man came to life and stood up on his feet. Now, Panero pa kanyora gani no, pagkatete maro paini. Pepa kulo kwe pwaraga pamulo pakwa tama thala atiba pa kanyota pu do pagkatete matilo pwaraga ni le no so Elisa thokopu do tupa selo odo no ba do do so Elisa akhido muto kiwe do settle akhoro no pa paragane thi no ane pa khulo ko ane basana kiro set awe muro ki mo no tera phane mo no ba muro ki no kisiki ni te phai ni no kisiki ni te bra pile no Hasra king of Aram's opposing Israel throughout the reigns of Jehoshaphat. No, panel of Putin Mala, Dera Suri Sopa, no, Sopa, Hasila Ma, Mother Israel, so Jehoaha, Muni Kella Pulo, no. No, Kisitan is David Adile, pay, no, David, but the Lord was, no, gracious to them and has compassion and showing concern for them. Now, because of his covenants with Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, to this day he has been unwilling to destroy them or banish them from his presence. Panero Pocketed Mala, now copula Atathaganyo Urida Tatamila, copula, no, so Abraha, no, so he said, so Yako Hunilo, no. Pejera so do jwa mablu mapu o do ata o do kwa amele ole ata olo do Abraha do ise do soyaku ako do tatama ha ba o do ta kwiti kwidi ba ole amenya ba no ta kwidi ma no do kisilu ni teweda le minute mile na Hazra king of Aram died and Ben-Hadad his son succeeded him as king of Penny. Ben-Hadad apokwani no kero weda no apokwani kero sopa fani mo no then no Jehovah son of no Korah le Jehovah no Jehovah son of Jehovah no recaptures from Ben-Hadad son of Asher's the town he has taken in borders from his father Jehoahaz 3 times. Jehoahaz defeating, and so he recovering the Israel town. No, penny third blow. No, when man is third blow. No, but that the man came in the no, the Suri sopa, Cassia Tiwe of Puka so be hada, get toss sopa alone. No, those so Jehoahaz Puka so you are. Hiniki with a palace or Shila Puka so. Beada supula, a hinila a pass or Yohoaha supula, Taditulo, dos or you are maha or theblood or maniki isila, away the palo, away manner with the blood mono, copula tall over how could 30 of Hutaro. Let an Hutaro Pocra Sukumutala Patamu Pudi, no, did the Pocalade of Pocamaco with Sutin Panino. Patamu okay no patala takit panilo no mo suki gluta the sweet poco garden no tableau no no bakshila taliki no God bless you all I will see you next time no okay painting tableau